Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve rotate on Pinterest, you click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, defaults, apps, app settings. On above you can search about Pinterest app and you can click Pinterest app like this. Then you can click on first app and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.